Okay, on exercises 10 and 11, we need to find the value of x's that and y that make each equation true. So in this case, we're going to separate this equation up into two parts, the real and the imaginary. And the imaginary. Okay, so looking at the real part here, this is negative 2x. And the real part here is negative 14. The imaginary part on this side of the equation is 6i. And the imaginary part here is negative 24yi. So solving for x, this is simply divide both sides of the equation by negative 2. And we get x equals 7. Here, I'm going to divide both sides by negative 24i. The i's cancel, and 6 over negative 24 reduces down to 1/4. So y is equal to negative 1/4. Doing the same thing for number 11. Again, we have the real, and we have the imaginary. So looking at the real part, I have negative 4 equals negative 12x plus 8. And on the imaginary side, I have yi is equal to negative I. So it's the same as negative 1i. So solving for this, I would subtract 8 from both sides of the equation, giving me negative 12 equals negative 12x. Dividing both sides of the equation by negative 12, I get x equals 1. Here, dividing both sides of the equation by I get y equals negative 1.